Hey guys, today I will show you how to appear offline in Dota 2. This is useful if you want to practice, play solo, or avoid invites without explaining yourself. Dota 2 uses your Steam status, so this is done through Steam, not the game menu. First, open Steam. At the top, click Friends. Set your status to offline or invisible. Offline makes you fully hidden. Invisible lets you see friends while they think you are offline. Once you launch Dota 2, your status stays hidden and you can queue normally. Quick tip: use invisible instead of offline if you want to watch friends' games or check profiles without getting messages. And that's how to appear offline in Dota 2. Thank you so much for watching.